So when we want to directly reference an element of a list, we can use double square brackets. Okay, so we're gonna demonstrate how can we reference an element, the exact element in a list, and we are going to also use the mode function so that we can see what is being returned when we are using double square brackets. So let us see this. We're gonna say this is our named list, and if we run this, so this is the output. So now let's say we want to use square brackets in order to reference the vector, right? So we're gonna pass in 1, right? So this specifies that that is the first element in our list. Let's run this. You observed that what we have returned is a vector, and we can confirm that by using mode function and say what is the mode of this first element using the double square brackets, and you observed that it is returning as numeric because that is a vector of numeric values. Now let's say we want the matrix, we can pass in 2, and then we can say what is the mode. You observed that it returns character because that is a matrix of character values. So this is how you can use double square brackets to reference the exact element within the list. We can also make use of the dollar sign, right? Say for example, we have elements in a list and those elements are named. We can use the dollar sign symbol to directly reference those elements. So how can we do that? We can say this is our named list, right? And we use a dollar sign. So this will also give us options. Okay, say we can either return this vector, we can either return this matrix. So let's return this vector. You observe here that we have returned the vector. We can also say named list, and then we say matrix, right? So it's a return the matrix. So if you can say mode and say named list and say vec, you will observe that it returns numeric. So it has it has referenced the exact element that is found within the list. So we are getting that exact element also using the dollar sign.